Hi, this is Mrs. Sarshik and I'm doing a tutorial on division with two-digit divisors. The problem we're going to use today for an example is 41 is our divisor, and how many times 41, or how many groups of 41 can I get in the dividend 888? So the first place we're going to start, you see my letters down here at the side that are going to help me, is where do I put my hashtag? So I go back and I say, how many groups of 41 can I get in 8? The answer is none. So then I move over a digit. I say, how many groups of 41 can I get in 88? And I can indeed get a group of 41, so I put what we call a hash mark, and that's my starting point. Now I look at the BF, the basic fact, with a two-digit divisor. So I look at the first digit, which is a 4, and I'm using this as a guide, as kind of a hint as to where to start, as opposed to just guessing and checking numbers. So I'm going to say, how many groups of 4 can I get in 8? The basic fact is 4 times what equals 8? And I know that answer to be 2. So right near my hash mark, directly above the second 8, I'm going to put a 2. I'm going to check off I have divided. My next step in this is to multiply. Now it's very important to remember that you're multiplying the digit in the quotient with the entire two-digit divisor. So over here to the side, I will take 41 times 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So I will here put an 82. I've multiplied. I come to subtract. 88 minus 82, the difference is 6. I've subtracted. I now compare. Is 6, in fact, less than a divisor 41? The answer is yes. So I can move to the next step and bring down. I have an 8 here to bring down. And that means I go and I repeat up to the beginning again. So this part becomes almost a whole new division process. So I look at, sometimes I can do that to help remind me, make the division sign. I now again look at my basic fact. I'm looking at how many groups of 4 can I get in 6. I think of a basic fact. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 is too big, so I'll have to go with a 1. So above the 8 that I've just brought down, I'm going to put a 1. That basic fact is just a hint to tell me what numbers I should guess or start with. So now I've divided. I look, I have to multiply next. 1 times 41, because of the identity property, I know the product is 41. I now move to subtract. 8 minus 1 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. I look to compare. 27 is indeed less than 41. I look to bring down. There's nothing left to bring down, which tells me I've finished my problem. So the quotient here would be 21 with a remainder of 27. To double check that answer, I would take my quotient of 21 times my divisor of 41. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. I now move to the 4, but because it's 40, I have to put a 0 as a placeholder, and I move into the tens place. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. This is the basic multiplication algorithm. I add the 2, 1, 6, and 8. I'm not done yet because I have to go back in and add the remainder, which was 27. 1 and 7 is 8. 6 and 2 is 8. Bring down the 8. In fact, this agrees with my dividend, so I know it's correct. That is how you divide with two-digit divisors. Thank you. Good luck.